Hello loves! Today in this video, I wanted to bring you guys along with me as I decorate my bedroom for Halloween. I absolutely love Halloween. It's one of my favorite holidays. I remember as a child, I would go to haunted houses in the neighborhood and see all of their decor, and I just loved it so much as a child. And I am gonna be decorating my bedroom for the very first time for Halloween, so I'm pretty excited. I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out because I am gonna be doing a couple DIYs. I went ahead and shopped over the weekend at several different places: Michael's, Party City, Five Below, the Dollar Tree, and I even have a few pieces from my store, Joy to Genevieve. So stay tuned and continue watching to see me transform my bedroom for Halloween. Okay, so here's a quick haul of everything that I got for Halloween. All of this is from Michael's. This is from my store, Joy to Genevieve. This I actually got from my mom's house. This is like a cutout that I got at Disneyland. I was like, ooh, that would be perfect because it's kind of like vintage Victorian, like creepy gothic sort of vibe. And this I got from the dollar store. Here, all of this stuff is from Amazon. The skulls are from Party City. I'm gonna be doing cool chandelier with that. And this, I got this at the dollar store. And the rest of the stuff I bought at the 99-cent store. Honestly, I would have never gone in there, but my mom said that there was good stuff and she went with me, and so we picked out all this stuff. I'm gonna be using this chain for the chandelier. Wish me luck that this turns out good. So that's a quick haul for everything that I have in here. Now let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this. It's a canopy curtain for my bed. I just thought it would make it look super cool on my canopy bed, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with this. I have to figure out how to put this on my canopy bed. I wonder if I'm gonna need a ladder. I hope not. This is so confusing. There's directions, so I should probably read that. It's gonna look pretty good. I'm excited. I feel like this is the easiest way. Wow, that was very confusing to figure out. I literally had to drape it over my canopy and just start going for it in order to get it on, but eventually I figured it out. And I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this together on the corners here. It's gonna look so cute, so adorbs. Bed is all done, and now I'm gonna add my creepy little eye pillow to my bed. Here we go. Cute. Kiwi likes the new canopy bed. He thinks it looks really creepy and spooky. Oh, Kiwi. Do you feel like you're in a haunted house yet? No, Mommy, not yet. Well, you will in a minute once I'm all done. Okay, next I am going to focus on this. I don't have a whole lot of like Halloween decor to fill this whole thing up, but I'm gonna do the best I can with what I got. The three of us. Alright, so here is what I got so far for this part, and I'm gonna be adding 2 more spiders at the end. And I love this Alexander McQueen book. I think it's perfect for Halloween because, as you can see, skeleton. Man. Skeleton. Ooh, skeleton. And then my Disneyland cutout and a flameless candle that's just melting, filled with spider webs. And here are some more creepy crawlers. and this cute little typewriter that's pink and says "Till Death Do Us Part," and then more spiders and this cute skull with cute flowers and a scarecrow and spider webs all across. Next, I'm going to decorate my faux fireplace that I did myself. I'm going to be creating a video on it very soon, so stay tuned for that. Till death do us part, I do. I have no idea how I'm going to decorate it. I'm just going to wing it and see what comes out. Okay, so the fireplace is finished. I had to do a lot of trial and error, test things out, and see what I liked and what I didn't like in order for me to finally finish. And I went for the balanced route, so it's like very balanced on both sides with the same number of candles and the same sort of decor, and even the spiders up at the very top. I just went for balanced, and I think it looks pretty amazing. That's what I thought to myself in my head. If only you guys were here to see it in person. It looks so good. This corner looks very cluttered and messy. So this is the last wall that I'm going to be decorating, and then I'm gonna get into my DIYs. I'm gonna be creating a chandelier that's gonna go here and one that's gonna go in that corner back over there. I saved this for last. This is where my goddess faces are gonna go, and I hope that it turns out freaking amazing. I wanna be obsessed with it. Hello, it's a brand new day. I stopped with decorating my bedroom yesterday because it started getting really dark in here and I wanted to be decorating in natural lighting. But today I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing this wall back here. That is gonna be my goddess wall. And so last night I was on Pinterest and it all started with Elvira. As a little girl, you know, I'm like late 80s, 90s baby. And so I grew up with women like Elvira and Morticia. So I went ahead and printed out some photos of them. And as you can see, I have some of the Addams family and then Elvira and Vampira. Maybe next year I'll switch it up and do something different. But this year I chose these sexy, creepy, old school goddess women. I wanted them to be on there. And then I liked like the family portraits because, you know, I have realized that some friends come and go, but like family will always be there and family is top priority. And so I just wanted to like showcase like the family woman. All right, let's get started. I'm so excited. I've already printed out the photos. I just need one more to print out, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the frames and then start decorating that wall. I'm so excited. Also, last night I went ahead and added this to my nightstand. I cut up a piece of gauze so I could fit one here and then one on the other side. And I added this little light underneath that I got at the 99-cent store. And this gold spider. I just need one more of these. Hopefully, like they still have some left, but I honestly doubt it, but we'll see. So this is what I have so far over on this shelf. I am loving it. Oh my goodness, Elvira looks amazing and so does she. I love that she's like in a haunted, I don't know, looks like a graveyard. And then she's like in a creepy house with spider webs in the background. You can't really tell, but it looks good. And my goddess faces. This is Aphrodite and this is the Empress. And I just love these feathers that I got at Michael's. definitely check out my website and my Instagram. I will link all the information so that you could get a goddess vase down below in the description. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and add some of these bats to this wall, and need to figure out what to put in this area. Then it should be done, and then I will be getting started on my chandeliers. Now to the moment that I've been waiting for all day today is finally creating my skull chandeliers. What I'm using to create this are 2 wreath rings. I have 6 skulls for each chandelier, 4 chains, some ribbon, a feather boa for each chandelier. So first I'm gonna start by gluing on my feather boa, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it here. So I have one side of the wreath done with the feather boa, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and add the rest to the bottom. Now I have my skulls laid out the way I would like it, and if you want to be super extra, you could use a hot knife and cut a hole at the top of the skull and add candles to it. But because this is such a last minute project, I'm not going to do all that, and I also don't have a hot knife. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep it simple and glue my skulls onto my chandelier, and then afterwards I'm gonna go ahead and add the chains and bows, and then voila, I got myself a skull chandelier. And to finish it off, I made like a little hook loop thingy out of this bow, and now I have myself the cutest skull chandelier. Oh my goodness, I love it. I have finally finished decorating my bedroom for Halloween. Are you guys ready to see? Welcome to my haunted bedroom. I love the way that my bed turned out. I added some black lights to my wall sconces, and there's my faux chandelier. It turned out amazing. I love it so much. And here's the other one. And I moved this mirror and I put it here. My most favoriteest wall, my goddess wall. So beautiful. My printer only printed out that much out of the Munsters family, but at least I got the Addams family perfectly. I found this quote on Pinterest that I really, really love. It says that feminine power is silent, it's dark, mysterious, healing, nurturing. A woman can walk into a room and control it. She doesn't even have to open her mouth if she knows where her power is. And I just think it's so perfect for my goddess wall because I have all of these creepy little goddess women up here, and I just think it fits so perfectly for all of them. Make sure to check out Joy de Genevieve to get your female goddess vase. Soon I'm going to be having the Empress and Aphrodite in my store, so make sure to check that out and follow my Instagram, joydegenevieve.goddess. I just love the way that my goddess corner has turned out, and I love the woman that I chose to print out to go along with the decor of the vases, which I will be having in my store very soon, so make sure to check that out in the description box. My website is joydegenevieve.com. Anyways, I want you to meet my pet skeleton unicorn. His name is Coco. I painted him. He came from the 99-cent store, and I just thought that he needed to look a little bit more fresh. And he didn't have eyes, so I gave him some really pretty pearly eyes. And I also added this cloth over here just to separate my bathroom because it's kind of an eyesore over there right now. I haven't decorated it. I love how it turned out. I had some extra chain with skulls on it that I put there as well. And here is my other little pet. It's my wise owl. And I just love the way that my bed looks. As I've mentioned it several times, I think it looks super creepy. And a couple days ago, there was a power outage all over Newport, even across the canyon. It was like nobody had lights. So I came in here and I lit up my candles from my fireplace, and I felt like I was in a very old house before electricity was even invented. It was like such a cool feeling, and walking outside was like so cool and creepy, and it felt like Halloween, and it made me feel so happy and so excited. It was like really cool to experience that. So I'm definitely gonna be spending a lot of time with just the candle lights lit up in my bedroom, just to make me feel like I'm living back in time in a haunted bedroom with zero electricity. It was so cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching me decorate my bedroom for Halloween. The Haunted Mansion is one of my favorite rides at Disneyland, and I think that I did a good job of bringing a little piece of that and putting it into my bedroom, and I hope that it gave you guys some ideas and inspiration. I will be leaving my Pinterest boards of the inspo that I got for my goddess wall and the bedroom, and I will be leaving those links in the description box. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will be making a video of how I created this faux fireplace very soon, so stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys have fun decorating for Halloween and just satisfying your inner child just like I did. You know, I love Halloween decor. I'm sure you guys have so many amazing experiences on Halloween as a child, so tap into that just like I did. And until the next one, see you then.